Oh! It was more exciting the second time, almost losing that, than the first time. We've talked a few times in our video about how our slides go into the feed slot and come up, and then there's a knurled knob, like this one, that goes into that slot, and you screw it down to hold these in place. But the problem is that our reefing point pulls the clew down here, and the slide's up here, so it pushes on this and it flies away. So in order to eliminate this piece altogether, we have what are called mast gates that are stainless steel pieces that cover this feed slot, so that it just becomes a continuous track all the way down, so you don't have to worry about the knob anymore. The problem is the slide doesn't go all the way to the bottom because these stick out. They're a little bit proud of that inner slot. So that doesn't slide down through there because these stick out just a tiny bit past that. So we're going to carve that out, so that that goes flush with that. That way the slide can go all the way to the bottom. Not as bad, it doesn't seem as drilling a hole through your boat, but it's still not any fun to whittle away at your mast. It also doesn't help that the boat is moving while I'm trying to do this. Now that they fit into the recesses in the mast, the slides go right through. What we'll do is push the sail slides up through the feed slot up here, hold this up, put these on, and then mount them with the screw hole. So we'll have to put the screw holes in there and clean this up a little bit. Yeah, we'll do that first. That way the last step will be put the sail in, put these in, fasten them on, good to go. Oh! It was more exciting the second time, almost losing that, than the first time. Alright, you have to bang them on them with a piece of wood or something to get them to be the shape of your mast. But it also has a hole in it, and it comes with a little plastic thing that you stick in there, and you push on it and expands behind it to hold it in place. And then you just pull that out when you're ready to take them out. It's not load bearing, it doesn't support any weight. They just have to stay in place. We got the holes drilled, and we have this all ground down to where everything fits nice. So now we just put it all together. We've got the sail, I don't know if you can see this. We've got the sail up in the slide, up in the track as far as we can. I'm kind of holding it with my head. I was going to put the little side slide stop in there, but if I do, I wouldn't be able to get it out.
Is there a bug crawling on me?
This one? Just a little splatter. Keep going. Alright, so those are all in place. So now we're going to snap those in. The hole is drilled. This other thing's in my other pocket. I got sweat dripping in my eye. And my sunglasses are all fogged up because it's 2,000 degrees here. So this little thing just goes in there, and then that pushes to spread it out behind it. And success. Sweet. Alright, so these are called mast gates. You can get them at mastgates.com. Alright, so we're going to drop this down and see what happens. So from now on, hopefully when we go to drop the main, and it just goes like this. That's very exciting. It goes all the way to the screw. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them fit through there. That'll be way better. We'll be able to reef better. Everything's going to be better.
Better.
Alright, cool. I'm happy with it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Man, that's awesome. I can't wait to see it in action while we're doing stuff.
The next day.
It's another race day. This one's going to be completely different from the last one.
We're on a beam reach. We're pointed towards the starting line. We're on starboard tack. Everything looks perfect. And there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 11 boats in the race. The problem is the wind is blowing 0.8.
There's our mark right there. We're almost at our mark. Maybe in about 20 minutes we might make it to the starting line.
We're up to a knot and a half. This might work out really good, actually. I mean, at least getting through the starting line, which is the problem we had last time.
This is too funny. Everybody's so quiet.
I would think this is still a just absolute perfect, ideal scenario, because us and that dude, who's usually last, are at the front. We're 20 minutes into the race, and we do have about 3 knots of wind occasionally now, and we're in second place. But the boat in front of us is a 380 tall rig, so we've got a huge PHRF difference on that guy. So I think if the race ended right now, we'd probably win this damn thing. So we're gonna just keep on trucking and doing what we're doing. I think all our sail trim reading and all that is kind of paying off right now. At least we know how to sail real well in light airs. So you can show them the people all the suckers behind us if you'd like.
If you can see them.
Yeah, they're so far back that we're gonna have to switch to a different lens. That's how we roll. We're done talking all smack, and we're gonna end up like 12th place.
That's what I was gonna say. Don't be bragging yet.
Not if I hold it in my pocket. Feel cocky all day. So we rounded the mark. It's been another 40 minutes maybe? I don't know. But we finally got the win. We're still in second place, and we've made one jab, and the race is almost over. And we've got good wind now, and we're pointed at 45 degrees, and we're headed straight for the mark. So I remain, what would you call that? I'm not cocky. I think we're going to lose and come in last place. But at this point, I like our chances. But
Looks good.
If we screw up the ending like we did last time, we're just going to be last. So hopefully wind holds up, sails look good, telltales are fine. I think this one might be the one for us.
20 minutes later.
We have maintained our favorable wind, and we have maintained our position in the fleet. I think that we are doing well, and we're so close to the finish line, but we're going so slow. But we're right there, and it's so frustrating to just be that close, and you just want to go, and other than just like blowing on the sails. I don't think anything's going to get us there any faster. What you think?
No, I think we're doing really good. I'm proud of us.
Yeah.
I'm proud of us. I'm proud of you. I really haven't done much.
You have? I didn't do nothing. I just sit here and like do this. You're the one that's like doing this crap, trimming all this stuff, making this thing do that. I mean, it takes a village.
We got all these boats behind us.
Yeah.
We can see them.
We call those people losers. It's so stupid to be like that because we're going to lose. It's
We
like,
ain't first place.
No.
There's a boat in front of us the whole time.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I have my fingers crossed.
Okay, and this other boat's catching up.
Yeah. So the race is over. We did end up between the guy in front of us and the guy behind us. Well, wait a minute. That sounds stupid. Of course we're refreshing.
Mr. Derp! Oh, derp!
So the race is over. We maintained our course and had the good wind, and everything just kind of stayed the way it was. We'll see how the PHRF rating changes all that, because there could have been people way behind us that spring up in front of us, but I like our chances. And at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter because everybody gets together for a party after the race anyway. So we're going to drop the sails and head back in and get our AC cranked up because it's kind of hot here. 93 degrees today inside the boat. And yeah, that was good times. I'm really looking forward to the next one. I think it's less than a month away. That'll be fun.
Hi guys, thanks for watching the video. In case you were wondering the results of our race.
We actually ended up being number 3. We were third place. We did good. I don't remember how many boats there were, to tell you the truth. 11 or 12 or 10 or 9 or 13.
I don't remember. We might have said in the video how many boats were in the race.
Yeah. So we got third place. We did good, and we got a lot of accolades for that, and we were darn happy about it. It was a race where there was not a whole lot of wind, but we made do, and we learned, that sail trim sometimes is more important than speed. If there's not enough wind, your boat's going slow, all you got to do is be able to out sail shape the other guy. So we did pretty good.
Yeah, but now that we're in third place, we have a reputation to uphold now for the next one.
Now we raise an eyebrow, and people are like, well, we gotta make sure we don't let those people beat us again. So that and our mast gate worked out pretty good. The sail just slides right down now. It sort of flakes itself differently, it seems like. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. I think somebody said you should flake it differently from time to time so it doesn't develop, deep creases, everything like that. So anyway, that's it for this episode. Thank you again for watching, And
We'll see you next time.
yeah, we'll see you next time. Peace.
Bye.